The government of Lagos State has said the 6 Rumbek teachers who were recently remanded in prison are expected to appear in court soon for having caused havoc during the strike last month. State Information Minister William Koji claimed that the detained civil servant will be tried for giving misleading information and displaying violent behavior. Nobody's against civil rights, but if you claim it by causing chaos, then that is very dangerous. You also tell the public that Lagos State School have closed, yet that is not the matter, he said. Last month, dozens of the primary and secondary school teachers were arrested on order of the Minister of Education. Most of them were later released on order of Governor Rin, leaving the sick teachers. On Tuesday, civil servants detained at Panda Military Prison were transferred to Rumbek main prison without charges. The former headmaster and an inspector spent more than a month in arbitrary detention without access to justice. Minister William Koji stated that the trial will commence in a week's time. The court hearing was supposed to start since yesterday. Now, if they did not start today, it will be the beginning of the coming month, he said. However, Daniel Lat, a civil society activist in the state, feared they will not be fairly tried, citing questionable independence of the state judiciary. It is the same government that is the complainant is now going to be the one to try the teacher. So I don't think there will be any fair trial in the court, because the judge that are here, the government will intimidate the judge to rule in its favor, he said. Lat, who is the state coordinator for the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, also denied that the teacher caused chaos or propaganda during the strike. There's nothing to do with, causing havoc. What the teacher did was to ask for their right. They were demanding for their arrear to be released, and that's why they wrote a petition to Parliament, he said. The activist is arguing international human rights organization to provide legal assistance to teachers, adding that a win for the government means that make arbitrary detention a norm in the state. To all human rights defenders and institutions that are working in the country, you need to come now to support these teachers by hiring a competent defense lawyer. This will help because even though the court in the state is not independent, the lawyer can appeal the case.